series, and does this give New Zealand an added advantage if Pakistan was recently whitewashed at home ground?
Yeah, I think England played some pretty special cricket in their series. Pakistan a very good side, as they've shown for a long time, especially in these conditions. So yeah, we're looking forward to the challenge. It's a new series. I'm sure they'll be Pakistan will be looking to bounce back after a tough series against England.
Saudi, what do you think, keeping in view the conditions here, how much you are confident about your spin attack, because Fish is coming back and Patel has also bowled not enough during the last 1 year?
Yeah, Ajaz has been around the Test group for a while. Obviously in New Zealand it's tough to force his way in the conditions that we play in, but he's been a real threat for us when we've come to this part of the world. Back to the UAE against Pakistan last time we played, he was instrumental in that series win last year in India, achieving what he was able to achieve over there. So he'll be looking forward to getting back playing Test cricket and playing in these conditions, which he's done well in. And yeah, it's a great opportunity for Arish Sodhi to come back in, having not played Test cricket for a while. So I'm excited to see what he's going to bring to the side, and I think yeah, just having a leg spinner in the side is always a good thing as well.
Just a couple down here.
Okay, my question is the continuity of the last question. You have got Ish Sodhi and Ajaz Patel in your back. So you have seen the condition. Would you go for both of the spinners, or would you go for the fast ball attack? Because you and Wagner also performed well against Pakistan and Matt Henry. So will it be a fast bowling attack or a spinner's plan?
Yeah, I think when you come to this part of the world, you tend to think that spinners will have more of an impact than the seamers. But as England showed, that there's place for the pace bowlers as well. So yeah, we'll finalise that, and yeah, it's something we'll have to wait and see.
Just down here on the front to the right, Tim.
Your first time in captain in New Zealand side in a big series against Pakistan. Are you any pressure for you?
No more than normally. There's always, I guess, pressure when you're representing your country, and but yeah, it's something I'm looking forward to, and a real honour to be able to captain the Test team.
And last one, just over to the left.
Tim Saudi, the continuation of that question. You have a wonderful career throughout Test career, and taking up the captaincy in twilight phase of your career. Any high hopes to finish your career as a Test captain?
Yeah, I haven't sort of thought too far ahead. It's all happened sort of pretty quickly over the last couple of weeks. So yeah, like I said, I'm just yeah, real honoured and looking forward to the challenge of yeah, what should be an exciting Test series over the coming weeks.
Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you, Tim.